What's up guys, everything in one back here with another video. So, today we have the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 with us. The box contains some accessories like quick start guide, micro USB cable and the Mi Band 3. Here is the Mi Band 3, which is looking quite similar to its predecessor, Mi Band 2. So, talking about its display, Mi Band 3 comes with a 0.78-inch OLED capacitive touchscreen. The company says that the display is designed with an aim to offer a better experience for viewing and rejecting calls and messages. Xiaomi had said that the wristband of Mi Band 3 has been redesigned to ensure that the tracker doesn't fall off from the strap, which a lot of users complained about for its predecessor. Mi Band 3 comes with 3 color variants, which is orange, blue and black. The quality of strap looks good and feels very durable and premium. So, there is no problem regarding its quality of strap. Talking about its features, the device supports many new functions compared to its predecessor. It connects to devices through Bluetooth 4.2 and sports a 110 mAh battery, which is 5% increase over the Mi Band 2. Like its predecessor, Mi Band 3 come with step counter, heart rate sensor and also you can use while jogging and for daily workout. The report suggesting that the Mi Band 3 will come with support for a tilt-to-wake feature. However, it is not yet confirmed if the device indeed supports such functionality, so let's hope for the best. Mi Band 3 comes with the addition of call and message view feature, and also now it comes with reject feature directly from tracker, which is very useful nowadays. You can also set the alarm which vibrate very strongly, which feels good. Also, Mi Band 3 ensuring that it works perfectly even when the user is swimming. For now, this band is performing well in all aspects. The band is really responsive and smooth. Also, you can easily pair your band with your smartphone to do more things. Anyways, do let us know your opinion about this fitness band in comments section. Also, one of the major thing for a wearable device is the battery life. The Xiaomi's newly launched Mi Band 3 comes with an improved battery, which the company claims can last for up to 20 days on a single charge. That's all guys, thanks for watching our video and make sure to subscribe our channel, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.